Hi, I'm Dion. I work in production at Liberty Natural Products, and we recognize that pouring from our new 5-pound Baritainers can be a challenge. It's been a challenge for us as well. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to pour without spilling. Here's some of the tools that will help you. Most importantly is a funnel. Check out this photo here. See these grooves in the funnel? Those are to allow for airflow, so when you're pouring into the funnel, it doesn't bubble up and splash. You can pick up one of these funnels at the U.S. Plastic Corporation. Next is a hammer. And finally, you're going to need some sort of metal sharp object, like a screwdriver. Now that you have everything you need, we're ready to pour. When you receive a product from us in our new Baritainers, it should be 5 pounds. So when it's full like this, you're going to start by pouring upside down. That's to allow airflow so that the liquid or the oil doesn't splash or bubble. Demonstrate that. With our funnel, we'll start slowly. Just like this. Okay, once you've poured it upside down and it's about half full, then you're going to start pouring it from the side. So now that we've made it this far, there should be some excess oil at the bottom of the container. In order to get all of it out, we're going to have to puncture a hole into the container. We don't suggest using a drill because the particulates from the plastic, when drilling into it, can be in your product, which no one wants that. So you're going to need your hammer and your sharp metal puncturing device. One thing to note before using your puncturing device, to clean it off if you had used it for puncturing other things in the past. It might be dirty. We don't want that in the product. Okay, so you're going to want to puncture either the back left or the back right of the Baritainer, like this. Now that you have it punctured, we'll get those last few drops out. It's a waiting game. Every drop counts. Just remember that there will be drops and sometimes spills. It happens to the best of us, and we do this every day. Also, the oil that you're pouring matters. Lighter oils like citruses are much more difficult to pour versus heavier oils like cedarwood or vetiver. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email.